Bangladesh is all set to bring the entire country under high-speed internet connectivity. Here, Asia-Pacific Information Superhighway is a very important step that will allow the entire region to reduce bandwidth cost as well as to help reduce pricing inequality for bandwidth. As the project is heading towards success, Bangladesh is now moving forward to build infrastructures to provide high-speed internet connectivity in rural areas.
2021 সালের মধ্যে বাংলাদেশকে আমরা ডিজিটাল বাংলাদেশ হিসেবে প্রতিষ্ঠিত করব। দারিদ্র্যমুক্ত বাংলাদেশ গড়ে তোলার ক্ষেত্রে আমরা আধুনিক প্রযুক্তি ব্যবহারের মাধ্যমেই আমাদের অভিষ্ট লক্ষ্যে আমরা পৌঁছাব। আমাদের এই ভবিষ্যৎ প্রজন্মকে প্রযুক্তি শিক্ষা দিয়ে ডিজিটাল বাংলাদেশ শুধু গড়ে তোলা নয়, ডিজিটাল বাংলাদেশকে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাওয়া, সেই কাজে আমরা সম্পৃক্ত করতে চাই। এটাই আমাদের লক্ষ্য।
7 years, our government has been busy laying fiber directly through the government-owned companies as well as in partnership with the private sector. 8 years ago, our annual IT exports were just 25 million. I had set a goal that by the end of this 5 years term, it will be $1 billion, which is in another 2 years. This year, we are achieving 700 million.
In this regard, Bangladesh has been steadfastly supporting the Asia-Pacific Information Superhighway initiative since its inception. Last year, the government of Bangladesh proposed to amend the Asian Highway and Trans-Asian Railway agreements to encourage the cohabitation of ICT and transport networks, which can accelerate deploying the fiber optic cables along highways and railways in a cost-efficient manner.
According to Digital Bangladesh 2021 vision, the broadband penetration rate will reach 50%. As broadband links are inseparable from the development of ISPs, 22 POI sites will be built across the country, encouraging the development of small ISPs, and that will eventually help these ISPs to reduce cost. Nationwide point of interconnects to create POPs and infrastructure in 22 sites for ISPs to reduce the domestic transmission cost of international internet traffic. With the popularity of information technology, this project will help government organizations to build local area network, including educational institutions, health departments, post office, agriculture department, etc. Around 200,000 schools, hospital and health clinic will be connected through optical fiber to access high-speed internet. 1,000 free Wi-Fi hotspot will be built in major cities to attract young generation with value-added service. Alongside connectivity, infrastructures will be built across the country to offer benefits in different sectors. Education and innovation will be encouraged through these new institutions for building a technology-friendly future generation. 15,000 Sheikh Russell Digital Lab will be established, which will allow students to access high-speed internet for learning. 2,901 Sheikh Russell Digital Lab already exists across the country, and 1,200 new lab will be in action by this year. Here, 65 labs will also be equipped for language learning. A number of advanced labs will be built in all public universities to encourage research and innovation. The project aims to build 50 advanced computing lab comprised with IoT lab, cybersecurity lab, data science lab, 10 virtual reality lab, and 2 robotic labs will be built in engineering universities, 1 virtual statistics lab in BBS, 5 3D lab in fine arts institutes, and 1 open data lab will be built. To expand ICT up to the last mile, efficient training, expert teachers, and worthy content is a prerequisite. A 21-story digital literacy center will be established comprised with expert teachers and quality content to train students and enthusiastic youths. Alongside, government will be able to train employees on new technology and e-services. Sustainable development for women through ICT project aims to provide training around 10,500 women to facilitate an enabling environment for the women's participation in ICT sector. develop career as an entrepreneur, and generate employment opportunity. Bangladesh has already achieved significant milestones in ICT sector, which is also recognized by global community and institutions across the globe.